In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your notification settings in Google Chat. Whether you're using it to stay in touch with colleagues, friends, or family, managing the way you receive notifications can significantly enhance your overall experience by tailoring alerts to suit your preferences and lifestyle. To get started, you can either head directly to chat.google.com or access chat through your Gmail account. Once you're logged in and ready to go, direct your attention to the top bar of the screen. You'll notice a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up your settings. Now, within the settings menu, we're focusing on the notifications section. Here, you have a variety of options to help you stay informed without becoming overwhelmed. First, you have the option to allow chat notifications, meaning you'll be sure to know whenever someone messages you. This setting is perfect for those who prefer to keep in the loop at all times. Additionally, you can receive reaction notifications. These are particularly useful for group chats, where reactions can hold as much significance as the messages themselves. And if you're the kind of person who likes to keep their inbox organized, enabling email notifications might be the way to go. This will ensure you also receive a copy of your chat notifications right in your email. Moving on to notification sounds, which is a handy way of knowing you've received a message without even looking at your screen. You can customize these sounds so that each new message or notification has its own unique audio cue. This little change can help you distinguish between different types of alerts and manage your attention better, perhaps during a busy workday or while multitasking. But let's say you want even more control, especially if you're involved in multiple chats or spaces. This is where per-chat notification settings come into play. First, open the specific chat or space you wish to adjust. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Click these dots to reveal further options. Here, you can select Notification Settings. This option allows you to tailor the notifications for each chat individually. For instance, you can choose to mute notifications if you're not currently engaged and wish not to be disturbed. Alternatively, you can set it so that you receive all notifications, which is ideal if the chat contains crucial ongoing updates. Finally, selecting notifications for mentions only can be beneficial in larger group settings, thereby ensuring that you're only alerted when someone directly seeks your attention. By understanding and utilizing these settings, you'll be able to manage Google Chat notifications effectively and create a streamlined communication experience tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in optimizing your Google Chat interactions.